Nobody knows where it is from. Okay, this is number 2.
संदीप दोनगर.
संदीप दोनगर.
किती हां दोन झाले. दोन झाले. संदीप 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 टू लेवल दोन संदीप 3-2
सगळे कोण
संदीप संदीप 5 झालं. लास्ट वोटिंग डॉमिनिक एका काय नाम आहे फर्स्ट आहे का संदीप टीवी त्यांनी त्याच्यात टॅकात मारून त्याने त्याचा मारून त्यांनी स्वतः त्याचा ओट मारला क्रॉस होते न्यूट्रल रहा ही सपोर्टेड कोणाला त्यांचा obviously Vivanta conventions है new deputy
Hi. Now the result has come.
Yeah.
So just tell about it.
Now they just finished the elections for the deputy sarpanch post in Santa Cruz and village panchayat, and we got to know that Sandeep has won. Sandeep Sawant from Kakra ward. But,
were you all supporting him or what it is?
yeah, we were supporting him. He is of the people's panel. It is not anybody's panel in particular. It is of the people. The moment we had formed the panel initially when they won, people had approached us and they wanted something different. So with the help of the people, all of the bunch members were elected. And right now also people are like, we're still with you and we have your support. And they are
What do you have to say about these allegations which were made and about 1 crore being offered and all those things?
See, if you're making allegations, you should have something in heart, right? If you're simply going to talk, this is all market talk, street talk, bar talk. So why will we entertain that? If you're going to make proper allegations, give us the proof. Anyone can talk, right? I can say someone has offered me 5 crores, 6 crores. You have proof? No one has proof, right? You're just going to talk and people are going to believe. People also are
tell us
smart.
one thing, what went wrong you feel that Dominic was a part of your group and suddenly he has left your group and then there were allegations. What went wrong you feel?
See, I feel, I don't know, something may have come upon him. Who knows, maybe he got a offer. We don't know that. Because as soon as he stepped down, this is what I feel, he was not as active with us. We used to call him, even I called him for some of my things. When I should distribute sound systems and all, I used to also call him, but he should not show up as frequently. So maybe something went wrong, or he should have spoken to us about it, but we were not informed. And then we found out recently that he wants to put a no confidence motion. So
And how do you see that 2 years, almost 2 years it seems like your group was, the panel was there,
yeah.
comes out and then all those things, sorts of questions.
I didn't understand what you said.
2 years he was a part of your panel,
Yeah.
then he comes out
Yeah.
and then all sorts of questions raised against your things.
Yeah.
Things are not working out, this,
Yeah.
that. What do you have to say on that?
See, if you come out from something, you have to blame the other person. He will not blame himself, right? So anyone will blame, okay, they were not doing something good, but I feel like he was just trying to portray that because they are doing something bad, I have left. But no one's asking him why you left, the actual reasons. He should have left 1 year back now. If he were doing something bad when he had the post of the deputy, he could have said, I'm leaving now only, I'm going to join. Why he waited for 2 years?
Was there no problem among the ruling panel?
No, even if there was a problem, he should have spoken to us about it.
But
Why
he
didn't
never
he never said
told
anything about
to
it.
your.
No, he never said anything about
Now
it.
the no confidence motion is going to be coming up against your
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow. So
Yeah.
now with this victory today
Yeah.
of your panel, do you think that is going to be fizzle out?
See, tomorrow I cannot say anything about it. Tomorrow is another day. Anything can happen. It depends on the punch members and it depends on what people have told them, because some people of the wards have approached their respective representatives saying that, since we have elected you do what they are saying. Obviously, I'm also an elected representative. If someone approaches me, I will do what they say because they have elected me. I'm representing my people. Similarly for them, if people want them to join to support the present sarpanch, they will. If they don't want, they won't.
Okay.
So we don't have anything against that. It is a people's panchayat.
Just tell us this calculation that I can understand 1:1.
Yeah.
Here 2:1 or 3 candidates.
Yeah.
How do you see this competition?
What is the purpose of having 3 candidates in the
You
field
feel?
for the-
See, this is a democratic society. This is a democratic. It's a democracy. Anyone can apply for the post of anything. If all 3 wanted to contest, they could. Anyways, they were going to vote, right? So there is nothing
Do you
against
feel
it.
surprised about this?
Yeah, it is a surprise, and I mean expected also results
Oh, yes.
because
Now this
because
win-
people have spoken.
Now
Right?
this win of the deputy sarpanch, is it a good for the boost for the Congress or the?
No, I will not say that any party is involved in this. I'm going to only say that the people of Santa Cruz have spoken. That's it.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
No, Sandeep there.
Okay.
We'll meet you there.
Time